landed. We're not at the airport anymore. We're actually out of City Locker right now because we're not trying to walk with the bag. So we bought a locker at City Locker. Check-in isn't until 4 p.m. and it is currently 11:06. We're not trying to walk around with our luggages because they're pretty heavy and the sidewalks here are really bad. So City Locker it is, and hopefully we don't get our stuff stolen. We made it to the Eiffel Tower, but as you can see, it's like blocked off for the Olympics. We just got to the Airbnb and it was pretty creepy. The hallways were creepy. The Airbnb is nice, but it's small. So basically what you see here is everything. I'm gonna walk you guys through this Airbnb because this Airbnb has a really nice surprise and I'm gonna show you guys that. So yes, that's the front door, bathroom, kitchen, the table. Now we have a fridge here, and pretty much this is the end of the Airbnb. Of course, the mirrors make it look a little bigger than it actually is. We got the TV. This pulls out into a bed, so it's a sofa bed. Fan running because this place doesn't have AC, and I think I'm starting to realize that Paris doesn't have AC because the restaurants that we've seen, the restaurant that we ate at, didn't have AC. And we have some more decorations here. This opens up. We have a cute balcony. This is what sold us on the Airbnb. And guys, that is it. That is the Airbnb. It's small, but it's really nicely decorated. This is my outfit. Dress, I got it from White Fox. Yeah, I have it. All right, guys, we are heading out. Let me show you the creepy hallway that we walked. We had to take an elevator and climb the last floor to the 7th floor because that's where we're staying at. But look at this view. This is a nice view, baby. It feels very peaceful. Guys, this elevator is so creepy. It's like one of the older elevators. It takes a while. It's 6 floors. We made it outside. We went to the grocery store and I'm gonna show you what we got. Bananas, eggs, got some chocolate, some avocados, Greek yogurt. We are going to taste test the chocolate. I don't know if this is a European brand, French brand, but we're gonna try it. It looked yummy, so let's see. All right, let's try it. Really good. Wow. Guys, we are at McDonald's. We were walking by and we decided to come to McDonald's because we are starving. And we know McDonald's, that was familiar. That's the reason why we chose it. But we're gonna see if it's any different than the McDonald's in the US. So I'm gonna try this one. They got a spicy McFlurry. What the? All right, we're gonna be trying this Coca-Cola McFloat. Confirm. Guys, can you believe that I've never tried a macaroon? So we're definitely trying the macaron here in McDonald's and just see what it tastes like. Okay, I wasn't even recording, but I hate when I do that. Got the Coca-Cola McFloat. We got the macarons. My sandwich. I'm gonna try the macaron. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh my god, this is really good. Can't believe I've never had a macaron before. Alright, now we're gonna taste the Coca-Cola McFloat. Baby, look. That's why I needed a straw. Well, that's good. It has bacon on top of the bun. And I don't really like bacon, but we're gonna try it anyways. I give this sandwich a 7 out of 10. So, what do I rate an overall meal here at McDonald's in Paris, France? I would rate it a 7 out of 10. The macarons were delicious. The strawberry one was, the pink one was. My sandwich was good. And this McFloat is not bad. Now we're gonna go back to our Airbnb and call it a night because I am tired. I have not slept. I've been up for almost 48 hours now. So we're just gonna watch the Eiffel Tower from our balcony and that is it. Tomorrow's itinerary is actually pretty packed. We are going to the Louvre Museum. We're gonna go see the Mona Lisa and we're gonna do the Eiffel Tower tomorrow as well. Guys, I had to pay for the Eiffel Tower twice. I couldn't get a refund for the first one because the time slot that I had chose, we were not going to be able to make it because we had just landed. But I couldn't cancel it, I couldn't reschedule, I couldn't get a refund. So I had to pay for the Eiffel Tower for tomorrow. It's very upsetting, but when you're traveling to different places, you just never know what to expect. Our flight did get delayed, so you just gotta go with the flow sometimes. And I feel like the Eiffel Tower is very important for me to go see it, so that's why I paid again. We're just gonna go with the flow because that's the only way to have a good time. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, Paris is beautiful. The weather is a little bipolar because it was so hot yesterday, but today it's feeling a little chilly and it's drizzling, so completely different weather. Hopefully it starts getting warmer throughout the day. So I'm gonna get ready and get dressed. We might stop by to get a croissant and some coffee, so hopefully we're able to do that before we get to the museum. This perfume smells really good. It's by Clean. It's called Sparkling Sugar and it does smell like sugar. And I like sweet scents, so I really love this. I am almost done getting ready. I just have to put on some jewelry. I brought my jewelry box here and I think I'm going to be wearing these. So either these or these. Baby, which one do you think? Alright, so we're gonna go with these. That is it. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. We made it to the museum. We're gonna go see the Mona Lisa. As you can see, there's a lot of people here and there's already a line. It is 10 a.m. I wasn't able to get my croissant or my coffee, but I think we'll get that after. This is the outfit. I forgot to shave. Of course I did. But we're here. It's beautiful. I'm excited. got a croissant. It tastes really good. We made it to the cruise scene and we're about to board. It was kind of a trick to get over here because we actually took the metro, which was a first for us. It wasn't as confusing as I thought it would be. It was actually pretty easy. For 2 tickets, it was €8. I don't know how much that is in American dollars, but I'll put it on the screen. I think it was an all-day pass. I could be mistaken, and it was probably a one destination pass. It was actually faster than it would have been if we got into an Uber. And we'll probably go to a Chase Sapphire Reserve Lounge that we saw yesterday. So we'll probably do that and eat there, and I'll show you guys what that's like. We made it on the boat. There's a view of the Eiffel Tower from here. We actually got the seats on the bottom because when the sun hits you, it like burns. So we decided to sit on the bottom and enjoy the views from here. Hopefully we're sitting in the right spot because as you can see, there's like nobody here. Let's just enjoy this boat ride. There we go, it's starting. So we shall see how this boat ride goes, and I'll let you know if I recommend it. We made it to the Chase Sapphire Lounge. This is my background. They gave us some food and we get complimentary drinks. So good. Tower. We're on the 2nd floor and we can see Paris Olympics stage where they perform, and it's chilly up here. I wouldn't think it would be chilly. I'm wearing my sweater. That's how chilly it is. Honestly, it looks so crazy being up here. Alright guys, the last I talked to you was when I was at the Eiffel Tower, I believe. We're now at the airport again, or on the airplane, and we are flying to Mallorca, Spain. Yesterday was pretty hectic. We got lost on the metro and we pulled an all-nighter. We got back to the Airbnb at 12 a.m. and that's because our phones died. So I didn't have the code to get into the Airbnb, which was not good. We had to stop by somewhere and charge our phones, but pulled an all-nighter, left the Airbnb at 4 a.m. and we're boarding at 6 now. All right guys, we're about to take off. Remember to love yourself and to stay active. I'll catch you in Spain on my next vlog. Bye.